So man, the Yeezy 450s literally broke the net yesterday. I ain't gonna lie, I'm super geek for those just like everybody else. And I might even have a pair secured, so. But anyways, today's video we're talking about these 350s. They are confirmed to be a regional exclusive release. And I got another pair of early Yeezys to pick up, so stay tuned guys. Video's coming right up next, y'all. So what's good guys, what's going on everybody? Salute, appreciate y'all for pulling up, man. In today's video we're talking about these 350s. They are now confirmed to be a regional exclusive drop. So ever since last year, PY Rates on Instagram leaked out that we got 3 new confirmed colorways: the Ash Pearl, Ash Blue, and the Ash Stone Yeezy 350s for 2021. So we now have a confirmed release date for 2 of those joints. So the Ash Blue and Ash Stone joints will be both dropping on February 27th, and I do have a full review if you guys haven't checked out here on the channel for the 350 Ash Blues, which will be now an exclusive release for North America, Latin America, Africa, the Middle East, and India. So those joints are cool. And then we got the Ash Stone, which I feel like are the better colorway of the 2. Those joints will be available in Europe, Russia, Ukraine, and the Asia Pacific area. So once again, all my people in the Asia Pacific area, you guys are getting the better release of the pack. So I had to swing by my old girl's house real quick to pick up this early release. And by the way, shout out to the plug Jay Liero for sending these joints over. If you guys are looking for any heat or specifically early joints, make sure you guys give him a follow, because he's always posting everything he picks up in his stories. So I'll be sure to link his info in the description. On feet here, we got the Yeezy slides, the earth brown joints to be specific. And just in case if Kansas is watching, socks are season 7. So salute the big Kenzie. If your socks ain't right, you ain't living right. Alright, so we got the package secured, and there's a little ass box. Stay tuned to see what is inside of this box. But like I was saying guys, out of these 2 regional exclusive releases, I definitely feel like the Asia Pacific area once again got the better of the 2 releases. The Ash Blue joints, they're kind of like an Israfil 2.0, nothing too special going on there, but them Ash Stone joints are interesting. The red stripe definitely gives it some character. But then once again, it's just another 350, yo. But let me know what y'all think, man. Out of these 2 releases, which ones are you guys feeling the most? So the 350 joints, they're cool or whatever, but I really feel like Adidas has got to switch up the design, do something different in order to draw my interest back into purchasing these joints again, or just simply hit us with the V3. I know a lot of people have been checking those for a while now. Of course, there are rumors that Adidas is playing with different technologies. There are rumors that they are using a UV sensitive upper that could be cool because it could change colors depending on type of lighting or heat situation. So I don't know guys, but anyways, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. Once again, salute to Jay Liero. Thank you guys. Thank you for sending these joints on over. So this is a no box pair. And it's kind of interesting. I do want to see these in hand because like we said earlier, there are 3 different Ash colorways. So we checked out the Ash Blue, the Ash Stone joints are cool. But what about these Ash Pearl joints? What do you guys think about these? No infinity laces. Gotta say, off my first impression, these might be my favorite out of the 3 different Ash colorways, but drop your feedback, man. First look here at the Yeezy 350 Ash Pearl. So wanted to just throw these up next to the Ash Blue joints just for a quick look, guys. Be on the lookout. I will have a full detailed review on these joints coming real soon on the channel. By the way, let me know if you guys are feeling any of the merch. We'll be having different drops coming very soon, so leave your feedback down below. So appreciate everybody for tuning in for today's video, guys. I'm JA. Stay safe, stay blessed, guys, and I'm out, y'all.